I have never contoured before. This is my first attempt. I have researched tutorials and I'm ready to begin. Is it as easy as it looks? Will it be effective? Join me and find out. I have mentioned in my description that I am trying to use products I currently have in my home. I have this, a Maybelline Master Contour Stick. It has the dark and the light. I have recently cleansed tones and moisturised, so we have good base. So let's go. Please bear in mind this is my first attempt, so I'm quite likely to get it very, very wrong. We'll start up here, like little eyebrows, and blend upwards. Then at the sides here, and blend that in. Right, so we've got to find the bottom of our cheekbone and apply it there. So and the same on this side. And get that to blend perhaps a bit further down. And blend that in upward strokes. Right, this is my bad area because I've got little jowls here. So you'll have to find the edge of your jawbone and run it along. So I'm going to use my finger as a guide and run it along just after my finger. And then you blend that down into your neck. Right, next is the nose, and you do it either side of your nose. Are we thinking this makes a difference yet? Right, using a fresh blending brush, we're going to use the light side. Now I'm going to go here, just on my cheekbone, just above where I have done the and blend that up. I'm going to do it on my there, on the tip of my nose, and we blend those out. I don't have very prominent structure here, so I'm not going to put any dark on there. And on the tip of my nose, and here. Not very professional, that was it. On my chin. Not supposed to blend it all away because we are going to put do you think that makes a difference? Have I got that on right? I'm going to put on, oh, it's fallen on my foot. As I have a base, I thought I might apply my daily foundation. I've put a little bit on the back of my hand, and we're going to put it on again with a clean brush. I like to just blend in under my chin with a wet sponge. I'm just round here. There we are. At this stage, we need to apply this. This is Maybelline's Instant Anti-Age Concealer, and that's going to go under my eyes. It has a little applicator. You just, unfortunately, I always think the applicator is too, I do use this, and I think the applicator is too free-flowing. So let's use it with our fingers on the fingertips. I'm looking in a mirror if you're wondering why I keep looking sideways. There, the finished product. Obviously, this is unfinished. I still have my eyes to do, my lips, my cheeks. A long way to go. I would like to know what you think, so please leave a comment. My next recording will be about the progress I've made on my diet so far. If you'd like to join me on this journey, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.